Guys, how to convert kilograms into gram, and same way you can convert grams into kilogram in Microsoft Excel. Both formula I will show you. Type here convert equal and convert, then select this cell. Now comma and double quote kg, double quote comma double quote g, double quote, and press enter. Now drag and drop. The same way you can convert grams into kilogram. So equal convert and select this time grams cell and comma double quote g, double quote comma double quote and kg. Press enter. So thanks for watching.